Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys, that's right, how to make a cheesy beef burrito wrap. Okay, and these are the ingredients that you're going to need. Now, I'm going to make a homemade pico de gallo, but I will leave a link right up here, followed by this seasoning right here. Alright, I'm going to need another link right here for you guys to make this seasoning, this taco seasoning, okay? This is good. This is why I always use this. This thing was up here. So you can tell I use this a lot. So anyway, guys, you're going to need that. You're going to need a pico de gallo, which the link will be there for you. And you need some green onions. This is cilantro right here. I got right here. These are green onions. These is like 4 or 5 stalks of those. You need some garlic, like 3 cloves of those. You need like a whole bell pepper cut up. These gonna be diced up. I got these from my dad. So he just had some on deck for me. So I just said I go ahead and take them. So thank you, Dad. His name is Howard, by the way, guys. And I'm gonna be using some avocado ranch. These are cherry tomatoes. These are gonna go with my pico de gallo. I have a lime. I'm gonna use half of that for the pico de gallo, and the other half is gonna go with this meat right here. This meat is some carne pico. What is that? Pico de gallo, gaida or whatever. Anyway, that's what this is. All this stuff I got mainly from Aldi's. If you have an Aldi, so you can find it at any of your local stores. This right here is some mozzarella and provolone cheese mixed. Some refried beans. And these are tortilla shells. These are the medium ones. I wish I had a bigger one, but these are the only one I seen at the store. Now, if you don't want the pico de gallo, you can also use some traditional salsa or something like that. You can put that in there if you want to. Alright? So guys, I'm going to go ahead and rinse this meat off and stuff like that and chop up these vegetables. And we get started on this meat. So I'll see you guys over there at the skillet. See you guys in a minute. Okay, Sam, I'm back. Now the meat, apparently you can't wash that off. So I'm just putting some olive oil in here. So you can come in here with your beef. Medium heat, guys, and this was like 1.5 pounds of that meat. So I'm turn this up a little bit higher on medium high. Come with this taco seasoning. I'm gonna add probably like 2 or 3 tablespoons. And I'm probably go ahead and put a little salt in this too, because like I said, that season don't have much salt in it, but it's really super good. So I'll put a 1/4 teaspoon of salt in that. And I do want to add my vegetables in here, so I'm going to put those in the middle, my garlic and my bell pepper. I want this to cook with this. Okay, I'm just going ahead and keep stirring this around so it get well incorporated. And I'm going to cook this meat for about a good 15 minutes. You're going to let it simmer and all that stuff and cool down, because we can't put it together when it's hot like that, okay? Alright, see you guys back in about 15 minutes. Okay, fam, I'm back. I just been stirring this the whole time. I did taste it. It tastes pretty good. But now, what we're going to do now, we're going to put some of the lime juice in here. Okay? Half the lime. Alright, give it a stir. We're going to cook this for about another minute, just so the lime can cook in there. And we're just going to let this rest. And I'll take you guys back to the station and we'll start putting this stuff together. Now with the refried beans, all I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of that taco seasoning in that. Roughly like a quarter teaspoon of that. And I'm going to squeeze a little more of this little lime in there, okay? That's all I'm doing to that. I'm going to put it in the microwave, warm it up, and we're just going to serve it up. Okay, fam, I'm back. Go ahead and get started on this. Put some of this seasoning in here. Just to give it some flavor. Probably half a teaspoon of that. And some of this lime. Don't put too much because you don't want to overwhelm this dish. Okay, you're just giving it just enough. Just like that, guys. Just mix this up. If you want to put your little piece of butter in there, you can. Alright, that's done. I'm about to put that in the microwave for about 1 minute. This is the beef right here. That's how that looks. It's my onions right here. And let me get the pico de gallo. Okay, here's my cheese right here. Here's the pico de gallo. Now when I make my pico de gallo, I always like zest the lime in my stuff. So that's how that looks. I did reserve some for my girl because she don't like onions. So, and I squeezed some lime in here. Put a little salt in it, but like I said, I'm gonna leave you the recipe. All right, so I see you guys after I warm this up and we start putting this cheesy beef burrito wrap together. All right, see you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I am back. Let's go ahead and start putting this stuff together. This cheesy beef burrito wrap. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and start with. So it's like a tablespoon of this. Refried beans. Alright. Come in here with some cheese. Come in here with some meat. Like so. Push all this stuff back together over here. I'm gonna come in here with some of this avocado ranch right here. Just a little bit. Give it some flavor. I'm gonna come in here with some green onions. You gotta put much as I did. Alright. Some more pico de gallo. Alright. And we come in with a little bit more cheese. This is why I need a big shell, because I like to overload my stuff. All right. All in sitting there. So that's how that looks. All right. So I got 8 more to do. And we just gonna put these in the oven, guys. You can brush them if you want to. I might put a little butter on top of mine to brown it up a little bit. But that's it. Cook it in the oven for about, till it get brown. That's it. Okay? And I'll see you guys in a minute when all this stuff get done. Much love. Okay, fam. There's 8 of them right here. And all I'm gonna do is take some butter, because I put some butter at the bottom of this foil. Just gonna brush some on here. And when he get close to being done, I'm gonna throw some cheese on there. All right. Now you don't really have to do this, but I'm a little bit extreme, so I like my stuff to taste amazing. All right, guys. Put this in the oven. Let this brown up, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, fam. I am done. This is how yours gonna look if you don't put the cheese on there. But I'm gonna put cheese on mine. If you want yours to look like mine, to taste like mine, then follow all the recipes. But it don't call for the cheese on top of it. This is something different I'm doing. I'm just gonna take some cheese, put it on there. Okay, got this Parmesan. Okay, I had a little of this cheddar cheese left over. I'm just gonna put that on there. Give it a little bit more color. Alright, guys, I'm gonna put this back in the oven and let this continue to cook, brown up a little bit, and I'll see you guys when this stuff get done. Show you guys how it looks in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm finally done with this cheesy beef burrito wrap. Okay, and this is how that looks up close. Alright, guys, you guys can get a taste of this. Come around here. You guys get a bite of that. Right there. Alright. Good? Alright. Alright, guys. I'm gonna taste it. It's super good. So, guys, I'm going to put this down because I'm going to eat it. If you guys like this video, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit this bell so you too could be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. Much love.